Title: Modern Solutions in Traditional Farming. Ramesh, a young agricultural engineer, returned to his village on vacation. He saw his parents working hard on the field using an old machine. Observing their effort and the slow progress, he immediately decided to help. Instead of just offering physical help, he used his knowledge to optimize the work. He repaired the plow, improved its efficiency, and guided his father on better usage. His mother watched proudly, while a neighbor observed the change with curiosity. Within a few hours, their progress had doubled. Ramesh also promised to organize a workshop to teach other farmers simple techniques for better yield. His initiative not only supported his family, but also began a small wave of positive change in the village. Vocabulary: words with meanings. Agricultural engineer. A person who applies technology and science to improve farming. Example: Ramesh is an agricultural engineer. Optimize. To make something work better or more efficiently. Example: Ramesh optimized the work on the field. Plug. A farming tool used to prepare the soil for planting. Example: he repaired the plow to improve its efficiency. Efficiency. The ability to do something well without wasting time or energy. Example: the machine's efficiency increased after Ramesh repaired it. Guided. Showed or advised someone how to do something. Example: Ramesh guided his father on better usage of the tool. Curiosity. The desire to learn or know more about something. Example: a neighbor watched the changes with curiosity. Progress. Forward movement toward a goal or improvement. Example: their progress had doubled within a few hours. Workshop. A training session where people learn by doing. Example: Ramesh planned a workshop for other farmers. Yield. The amount of crops or products produced. Example: he taught techniques for better yield. Initiative. A new plan or action to solve a problem or improve something. Example: his initiative brought change to the village.